Hello, my name is Dr. Sowi Osayende, and this is my Lab2B robotics video demonstration. As you can see, I've set the direction to 0 and I'm in auto mode. So let me run the program. The robot doesn't move because it's 0 position. Now I'm going to set the program direction to 1, which indicates that all parts should go to the station 1. So the robot picks up a part and then moves it to station 1, as you can see. I added a delay of 0.5 seconds. Yes, there's a timer delay of 0.5 seconds. So it picks up the part back to the approach position and home position. Then it drops the part at station 1. Let's see it again. Now I'm going to increase this to number 2. And when direction is equal to 2, it takes the part and drops it at station 2 on the left hand side of the robot. Picks up a part again. Takes it to station 2, following the joint, linear, joint structure. And now for this code, I've set it just to 3. So now that that's done, I set it back to 0. Now we can see I go down the number of parts total is 3. Now before I set it to direction 3, I need to increase the quantity to 7. Yeah. For the demonstration, we just do 6. So if I increase it to 6, set direction to 3. And I also need to reset. So if I go down and reset statistics, reset to 1, okay, and I hit the play button. You can see everything resets back to 0, and the robot will start counting, picking parts from the peak position to station 1 6 times. This is the first time. I think I should just set this to 3 for the purpose of demonstration. So it does station A 3 times. And at this point, it should also pick and drop at station B. As you can see, it also picked it up and dropped it at station B. And the values are updating over here. Notice this is the final value. Drops a part and goes back to the home position, and it does not repeat this loop because it has reached the final value. Thank you very much. Yeah, so it's updated to 3. Yeah, thank you very much.